A dreary winter day will melt away with one of these cheery projects in hand. Choose from Burnett & Bradley's Cozy Critters collection, then bundle up for stitching fun. This pillow features 9 of the cutest frosty friends you'll ever meet. Highlighted in Needlepoint Now magazine, this 16 by 16 inch, 13 count canvas comes fully kitted with velvet, silk, wool, beads, and more. The stitch guide walks you through 28 stitches and simple beading techniques. You'll master fuzzy faces, knitted scarves, and tassels, plus learn a background stitch that you'll use over and over again. If you prefer a smaller project for stitching on the go, the polar bear, penguin, and fox come in ornament size. All 3 are fully kitted and come with stitch guides and access to online instruction. Shop Burnett & Bradley's Cozy Critters collection at Needlepoint.com. They will warm your heart during the winter's chill.